So attaching the rope and putting it through the friction saver. This is the new cobia 12mm from Glystein Ropes, and how I attach it to the throw line is probably quite important here. I've got it fair lead with an overhand knot through the spliced eye, and I've secured it to the rope with a clove hitch down here. So let's see how that feeds through. That's it up to the rings now, and I'll give it a quick flick, and down it comes back to me. So that's our rope installed into our friction saver or cambium saver from the ground. And to retrieve it, I'm just going to use a retrieval ball and pull it out of the tree. Stay safe.